Hello friends, I am Dr. Girish Tathed, practicing as a homeopathic consultant since 25 years in Chinchwad area. Now today you came here to give me the history, and today you came here to take the treatment from me. On the phone call, we already informed you that please have a 1.5 hour to give the information. Now this question always arises in the patient mind, why doctor wants so much information from us. So today I want to explain you why. Because I am doing the classical homeopathy. In classical homeopathy, we are seeing the patient as a whole. I want to know your mental and physical condition both in details. Example, if any patient suffering from joint pain, and if suppose the 10 patients suffering from joint pain, but each and every patient having the different modality. Example, one patient may feel better by walking, one patient may feel better by sitting, one patient may feel better by applying warm application. Because in other patches this information is not important, but for us the patient having some few conditions in which they get aggravated, in few conditions the patient gets amelioration, that whole information we required to give you the perfect and correct medicine. The second question is that we ask so many questions about your mind status also, because the mind status changes in different situation accordingly. Example, in fever the few patient may very irritable, in fever the few patient may get very dull. If any one patient having acidity, one of the patient get very angry, he cannot tolerate noise, or one patient feel very sad and depressed, I am having this headache. So according to the mental condition, according to physical condition, we select the medicine which is very appropriate to disease condition and it acts very well. So for that, for your sake and to select the perfect medicine, kindly give us the whole information. The third question is that why we ask your number of questions about your family history, because depend upon family history you are predisposing to the few certain diseases which can be prevented and can be treated very well by homeopathy, so you require the all information. What information we are giving by to you, this we keep all information very confidential, and without my permission it cannot be presented or cannot be told anywhere. So be safe and be feel confidential about information and relax and give information to us in detail, and kindly cooperate our assistant doctor. Thank you. Hello. Now you took the medicine from the counter and it is informed to you how to take the medicine and what are do's and don'ts while taking the medicine. Now after taking medicine, what you should to observe. In few patients, it is observed that few symptoms get little bit aggravated and get settled down immediately. So if your symptoms get aggravated, contact us immediately. But if you feel better, if you feel happy, if you feel relaxed, if your anxiety is less, your appetite is increased, your thirst is increased, you are feeling better sleep, and your motions clear, it means that medicine acted very well on you. Within few days, you will get freedom from your disease. So don't stop medicine in between, continue the medicine. Then how to give the follow-up? If you cannot come to the clinic, you can give the follow-up on phone call to the assistant doctor. They will note down everything and you will get the medicine. You can send any person to the clinic. Even you can give the follow-up by WhatsApp also to the assistant doctor. We will contact you immediately during our clinic hours. If you are going out of state or out of village, then we can send you the medicine by courier also. We have the courier facility to send you the medicine. To eradicate the disease completely from your body, it takes minimum 4 to 6 months. So don't discontinue the medicine. Continue the medicine unless we told you to stop the medicine. It is better for you to have the good health. So kindly cooperate with the assistant doctor. And whatever information given by to you in the clinic, the whole information comes to me, and at last the medicine prescribed by me only. So be relaxed and take the medicine. Thank you. How the medicine acts in the body. When you took the medicine and when it gets placed on the tongue, from that nerves it stimulates your immunity power. As soon as your immunity power gets boosted up, you started to feel better. When your immune power decreases, your disease get intense in the body, but when your immune power increases, your disease power getting started to reduce. So by taking the slowly daily dose, your immune power started to boost daily, and slowly your disease power get decreased. At one stage, your immune power becomes extremely strongest, and that time the disease get completely eradicated from your body. In this way, the homeopathic medicine acts very well. Thank you. Usually, it is asked by the patient how many months I have to continue the medicine. Usually we assure the patient minimum 4 to 6 months you have to take the medicine, but in few patients the patient may feel better in 3 to 4 months, but in few patients it may take more than 1.5 years also, because the disease cure, it depends upon since how many years patient is suffering, along with the main disease any other illness are there in the body, and according to that it will take time to cure the patient. So be patient and take the medicine regularly. Then the patient asked, after completion, if I feel better, after that how many days I have to take the medicine? It is usually told take the 2 to 3 months after when you feel better, because it will help you to cure you completely. So kindly cooperate with us. Thank you. Can homeopathic medicine can be taken by the all age group? The answer is yes. Homeopathic medicine can be taken by a 1 month from 1 hour of kid to the hundreds years of old person, and this medicine acts very nicely from the infant age group to the old age group. In the infant age group, if the children suffering from diarrhea, dysentery, or when immune power is low or teething problem, this medicine acts very well. In the younger age, like because of sedentary habits, because of mental stress, worries, or problem occurs, or in old age like diabetes, rheumatism, cancer, in all such ages, homeopathic medicine acts very well. So I will recommend to take the homeopathic medicine to improve immunity power, to boost your immunity power, and to get healthy and free from diseases. It acts wonderfully from 1 hour of infant to the 100 years of age. The second question, can homeopathy can be taken during pregnancy? Yes. If you took the medicine from classical homeopathy, it is very safe to take the homeopathic medicine, because this medicine not only boosts the immune power of the pregnant lady, but it also boosts the immune power of baby in the womb, and the growth of the baby is very nice, and that lady deliver a very healthy child in future. So it is very safe and very good to take the medicine during pregnancy. And the third question, can homeopathic medicine can be taken by a diabetic patient? The answer is yes. Why? Because in this medicine the sugar is extremely minimal quantity, and this much quantity will not increase your sugar level, so it is always advisable to take the medicine in diabetic patient also. So the answer for all your questions, like this medicine can be taken from the infant age to the old age group. Homeopathic medicine can be taken by the pregnant lady, and this medicine can be very taken and safely in diabetic patient also. Thank you. In homeopathy, it is usually asked by the patient why one medicine for all diseases. Homeopathy believes that if your immune system is weak, your diseases are increased. If your immune system is strong, your diseases are less. In few patients, it is observed that they have acidity, they have joint pain, and they have diabetes. But for all the diseases, why it occurs? Because your immune system is weak. So only one medicine required to boost your immunity daily. Once your immunity power is boosted, your immunity power is increased, your diseases started to become less in your body. For that condition, only one medicine required. So we are giving only one medicine for your all condition. In a very few cases, if patients suffering from diarrhea or dysentery or any acute fever illness, that time different medicines are required, but it is occasionally it occurs very less. So for all your chronic condition, only one medicine is sufficient for you. Thank you. One commonly question asked by the patient, why all patients get the same medicine which having the same color of white color? Now the answer for this, these pills are made up from the sugar of milk. This sugar of milk is extracted sugar from the goat milk, and this is purely imported from the Holland. So this sugar of milk is extremely white in color. When we prepare the globule from the sugar of milk, it is always white in color. And now in homeopathy, the liquid medicine preserved in the globules form. So when the medicine pour on the globules, it gets soaked by the globules, and after within few days the alcohol gets evaporated, but the medicine gets soaked into the globules. Though it is observed that all the patients get the same color of pills, but the medicine which is poured into the globules is always different. And within few days the smell of alcohol gets evaporated, but the medicine gets soaked into the globules, so it acts on the all people very nicely. So don't be in a confusion that why the people are getting the same medicine by the doctor for all the diseases. It is not so. It is only the color is same, but the content of the medicine is always different. Thank you.